My name is Dennis Poshard. I own Arthur Agency here in Carbondale, and I'm also the Carbondale Township Supervisor. I did have solar installed on my home. It's such a great way for us to kind of try to wean ourselves from, all of our carbon footprint and energy usage, and to have our own little slice of Southern Illinois be a little bit more energy independent. In addition, I, personally as a business person, I think that solar energy is also just a wise investment these days, with the tax incentives and some of the other, assistance that's out there. It's just a no-brainer at this point. I mean, it's something that everybody ought to be looking into, because it truly is something that's very easy to do. It's affordable, and once you install it, I mean, the time frame for that investment to pay off is a lot shorter than it used to be. And so not only does it make green sense, it makes business sense.